Agutape 48 rolls washi tape set foil gold skinny decorative masking washi tapes 3mm wide demasking tape. Dimensions 3mm wide x 5 long for each roll. Package a clear PVC plastic box with 48 rolls tapes include 16 rolls foiled washi tape and 32 rolls washi tape. Designs. The amazing super slim tapes are designed by creative US designers. These decorative tapes are perfect for adding splashes of color to back-to-school gear stationery, diaries, planners and more.all. Of 48 rolls are fashion designs. Kids and adults all love them. Use the washi tape as a great way to frame computer monitors, keyboards, wrap pens and pencils, and highlight those in pencils and highlight those important dates in your planner.try to add a set to your cart today and get creative. Quality. We have high-quality controlled standards. All the tapes are produced by advanced machine and superb technology. Click the link in the description to get this product.